Hey guys, it's me Maddie, and it's actually raining.
Oh yeah, it's coming down now.
And now it's coming down. It's raining on my head. It's well, if you guys didn't know, there's been this storm for the past few days now, and most of downtown is flooded. The lakes, the landing lake is flooded. So the landing lake is flooded because so much rain and just rain. But it's kind of exciting to be in here in the storm because like it's really fun. But at the same time, it's kind of scary. And a lot of lakes are flooded from how much rain there has been. And there's stuff falling down from trees. Trees have tipped over. And so, yeah.
Well, right now,
everything is growing because so much rain.
We're not gonna get flooded because we're like on a giant hill. Speaking of that,
My dog loves it.
If they ever open those emergency floodgates, the slowways over there,
Okay. So,
we wouldn't get flooded.
actually,
Probably the town. It would be.
I'm actually glad we're not getting flooded right now, but a lot of places are getting flooded. Like trailer homes, the lakes, and other stuff is being flooded. So, stop looking at me.
This is literally just the starting of the flood.
So,
It's a starting.
it's a starting. Like he said, it's a starting of a flood.
It's a big starting.
But it's making everything grow. So, like, look.
We're not fighting each other. She's walking that way, and I'm walking this way.
So, like, everything is, like, growing, like, back behind us. Like, that's our tree. But, yeah. Stop looking at me! Okay. So, yeah. But I just wanted to tell you guys, because I forgot to film last night. Well, I tried to film last night when the storm was happening and tried to send it to YouTube, but it wouldn't record because I didn't have much storage. So, here I am recording for you guys. Oh, there's my water gun. Ugh. It's like... been out here in the rain, so it's covered in rainwater.
If you would like me to do more videos like this, more vlogs, or more gaming videos.
This was kind of like a vlog, but I can do gaming video. I can do whatever you guys want me to do, like gaming, Minecraft. I can do Roblox, which I already have. But this video has came to an end. So,
One of them aren't even a real vlog video. Oh my gosh.
did you guys hear that thunder?
If you guys did.
I'm sorry if you guys can't see how fast the clouds are going, but they're going. They were faster earlier, but now they're going like pretty fast.
So
I'm gonna make
by the way,
another video.
If you heard that thunder thing,
give a like and subscribe and comment down below if you were in the area where it flooded or had like thunderstorms and stuff. Like, subscribe, and comment if you were in the area where it flooded or had a storm. So, bye guys.